Coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, some of you may refer to the chilly start to our Monday that we saw as a blackberry winter. Whatever you call it, it was definitely a colder than average start to your Monday, with some of us, like Fort Payne and up into Middle Tennessee, falling down to the 30s, had some patchy frost here and there this morning. We could see similar lows come our way overnight tonight. So here's the situation. We have high pressure centered to our north, and with this clockwise flow, we're starting to see northeast winds push cooler than average air our direction. That's actually going to be in place for the next several days. So despite the sunshine we have seen basically all day long, it is a cooler than average Monday across the Tennessee Valley. Currently at 65 in Huntsville, 63 in Guntersville, Muscle Shoals checking in at 64, low 60s up in Middle Tennessee from Fayetteville over to Lawrenceburg, sitting right at 61 degrees at this hour. Despite the clear skies, we will see those temperatures start to tumble here pretty soon, down to the 50s by 8 o'clock this evening. May see a partly cloudy sky at times tonight, but the one thing that's probably going to save us from seeing much frost tonight is the wind will be a little bit stronger than it was last night. You typically need clear skies and calm winds to get frost to develop. That may not be the ideal situation we see tonight. So yes, patchy frost is not out of the question, but it's not likely for most of us. Forecast low in Huntsville tonight, 41 degrees. Same for Guntersville. Again, we might get close to the mid-30s around southern Middle Tennessee tonight from Fayetteville over to Lawrenceburg, and maybe even in northeast Alabama, some upper 30s are a possibility. And I'll reiterate what I said earlier. If you want to play it extra safe and cover up those sensitive plants, by all means, go ahead. It's better to be safe than sorry in this type of situation. For your Tuesday, it's looking like a dry, partly cloudy day, a little bit warmer than what we have seen today. Should climb to the low 60s by the noon hour, topping out close to 70 degrees on your Tuesday afternoon. That's exactly where we'll climb to in Fort Payne as well as Scottsboro. 69 degrees, your forecast high in Moulton as well as in Muscle Shoals. So let's walk you through the next few days here on Future Radar. Tomorrow is likely our last completely dry day across North Alabama. Variable cloud cover, but staying dry. Things start to change on late Tuesday night into Wednesday when kind of a weak boundary is going to be near the region. That will bring us passing showers throughout the day on Wednesday, maybe a rumble of thunder or two on Wednesday. I think our better chance at thunderstorms and our best chance this week is probably going to be on Thursday. We have a low pressure system near the area that could bring us some showers and storms on Thursday morning and then possibly again late in the day. If we have enough instability in place on Thursday afternoon and evening, it is possible that a couple of those storms become severe, and that is something that we'll be monitoring as we get close to Thursday over the next few days. It does not look like a huge severe weather threat, but it's not out of the question at this point. At this point, I do think Thursday is our best chance at widespread rain across the Tennessee Valley this week, but continued chances are there on Friday, especially in the morning, and then again on Saturday. When we kick off a weekend, a separate system could bring us additional chances at showers and thunderstorms. With this active pattern in place, we are going to stay cooler than average for really the rest of the month of April. High temperatures will fluctuate from the mid 60s to the low 70s all the way through early next week.